The Transformation Editor is a suite of powerful tools allowing you to duplicate, delete, rearrange, and apply musical transformations to regions, without having to manually enter new music directly in your score. This is very important. Everything you do in the Transformation Editor is done to a copy of your score. You can experiment freely without fear. Your score is not overwritten with your transformations until you accept all changes, which is invoked from the preview window, which will be covered in another tutorial. Even after you select accept all changes, you will still be given one last chance to decide if you really want to make the changes. First, we'll create a region from this short motif. Now I'll bring up the Transformation Editor. The editor is comprised of 3 screens: a region editor, the transformation panels, and a preview window. Notice that in the region editor, we have 2 regions. The first is the one we just created, and the second is undefined. Undefined regions are created automatically between regions you have created, which can appear at the beginning, middle, or end of the score. Here we have a user region from the first 2 measures, thus the remaining 6 measures are undefined. Each region has a name, short description, measure range, and any transformations that will be applied to that region, which are called actions. At the bottom left is an edit button. With this, you can delete or rearrange regions. When you delete a region, that music is deleted from the score. Remember, all of this is non-destructive. All changes are done to a copy of your score. The next, duplicate, makes a copy of a region duplicating all of those measures. Combine mix one region out of the selected region and the next region. Legend brings up a help panel describing all possible transformations in an abbreviated language. This abbreviated language will appear under actions for each region. Revert restores the region editor to the state before you made any changes. If you have made any transformations to any regions, Clear will erase them. And finally, Preview will bring you to the preview window, where you will have a chance to compare your changes to the original score, audition those changes, and apply them or cancel out. To set up transformations for a region, tap at the far right of a region's row. We'll cover the transformation panels in another tutorial.